Back with another update, WriteFlow AI development progress. Today I have developed two key features for WriteFlow AI. First one, image alternative text management system, and second one, fast SEO analysis system. Let's see look at first the image alternative text management system. Let's go to, this is the WriteFlow dashboard. Let's go to the media menu, and this is the all media file, and when click the details button, we can set the alternative text from here. We can easily and click we can click the save changes button. They also updated. We can say we can make SEO any attachment file from here. Also we can make SEO any media file. Also when select the media file, we can also make SEO the image from here. Also we can add the alternative text from the media library. Select the image, and we can also update the alternative text from here. That's it. And let's see the second feature, the advanced SEO analysis system, your real-time content optimization assistant. This is the post page. Let's go to the this is the SEO setting block, and here we can add the focus keyword and meta title, meta decision, and this is the new feature, the SEO analytics feature. That will help to optimize your post content. The score is, we will see the live score, like say I have removed the focus keyword. Also this is the live score. That's it. This feature will help to improve the post content and make it SEO friendly and helps to boosting. Thank you.